Hello guys, namaste to everyone. So I've got this new high pressure water motor of somewhere around 1800 watts, and it's from Amex, and they've got a really good pipe here, and this is the gun, and I've got the shampoo can as well, and this is where the shampoo goes a little bit, and rest of them is water. So this is what I do when I have no ride days and all the babies are sitting at home. You can put a water pipe directly to this, or you can use in buckets. So as of now I'm doing that so that I don't end up spoiling the parking lot. So let's go ahead with it. So this is the pressure you get. Nice good pressure. So guys, there are a lot of videos out there which will help you choose the right one, but this is my personal experience, so I'm sharing it. So we've got the soap can, and it's shaking a little bit. So let's see how it works out. Okay guys, thank you very much. I gotta do some hand cleaning with that. I have a microfiber cloth. So anyways, thanks for liking, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.